Hello, good morning. My name is Angie Guerrero. I am talking about the makers of cow. Listen to me. Cow is a desire to be the careful you should drink to reduce it. The second, stay home. Do not go out at the night. At is with make your cows. You can do other activities at the home. Don't worry, with good care the calls improve. Please listen to the symptoms. Throat, fever, vampire, headache, discernment, among the others. Is your emergency room. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning. My name is